Hello and welcome to All Aboard Resin Creations. I've got these lovely flower stickers from Temu, so I thought I'd use these today. There's different designs in here, so I thought they would make some nice coasters. So I've got, I'll be using Apex Fast Cure resin today, just because I just want to put a base on the bottom before I put the stickers on. So this is a 1:1 by volume. So I've mixed up, I have gone a bit overboard with the stirring, so I've got loads of bubbles in there. But I'm going to be adding, I've got some Arteza mica powder in Gold Glow. So I'm going to chuck a load of that in there, and then give that a good mix. So I'm going to mix this in thoroughly, and then I'll be back once this is all mixed in. Right, this is all nicely mixed in now, and I'm using this lovely coaster mould from Molds and Shapes. So I'm just going to put a thin layer on the bottom of all of these. It's not going to take much, it's only, so I've got a base for the stickers. Nice quick and easy one today. I'm just going to even out this, so they've all got roughly the same sort of amount in there. Give it a little helping hand to the edges. And then hopefully this colour will go nice with these stickers. So I'm just going to do this to all of them, and then we're just going to leave these to cure, and then we'll get the stickers on. So I'll just put you on a quick fast forward while I'm doing this.
In the dimly lit cafe where stories grow old, with rose cup coasters keeping secrets untold.
Right, they've all had a nice even amount of the resin put in, so I'm just going to give it a quick spray with some 99% alcohol just to pop any of those bubbles. So we'll leave that to cure, and then we'll be back for the next bit. These have all cured up now, so we're going to get these stickers on. So I've picked 4 different images from these. I think there's 5 different images and you get 2 of each. So I've picked 4 out of there. Those 2 are different, aren't they? Yeah. So these stickers are slightly bigger than these actual molds. So I've got like a blank that came out of there, so I'm just going to trim off some of this excess that's not going to fit in. So I'll do that before I put the stickers in, and then that'll be easier to, so they don't go up the sides of the mould. So then they fit in, they'll fit in better there. I missed a bit there. Chop that bit off. So then they'll fit in nicely in there. So I'll do that to all these other ones as well. Sort of like centre them in there, and then trim off any overhang. That's that one. Do the same with this one. There. There. That's the last one here now. Take off those. Sorry if I'm doing it slight off camera. I just don't want all the little bits to fall into the mould. Right, so they should be okay now. So we'll get these unpeeled. And then we get these stickers in here. So that's the first one. There's lots of different designs of these types of stickers on Temu. Different colour ones. And they are really pretty, aren't they? I'm not usually a lover of gold, but these do look quite nice. You've got those gold sort of edges to the roses. That background colour seems to be working okay, doesn't it? Right, last one. We'll get that one in there. Get a bit of dog hair off there. Right, so that's all our stickers put on there now. So I'm going to mix up some Apex resin to do a top coat on all of these. So I'm going to be using Apex High Gloss Finish. This is a lovely resin to use. So I'm going to get that mixed up and then I'll be back to do a top coat. So I've mixed up 200 ml of Apex resin. Apex is a 1-to-1 resin and it's mixed by volume. And I've got to say, I'm really impressed with Apex resin. It's I've stirred this for 3 minutes and it's not gone through a bubble machine or anything like that. And look how clear that is. You've got a few micro bubbles in there, but I'm really impressed with Apex. So I'm just going to give these all a top coat now. And then that'll make the stickers really pop as well. So we'll top these all up. Get a nice dome on those. Hopefully I've got enough to dome them all. So to check if they're domed and they're all sort of the same amount of resin in them, if you go down to eye level, and you'll be able to see easier then. So let's just go down to eye level. And then you can see which ones might need a little bit extra. not going to be far off with how much I mixed, so that's good. Right, I think they're all okay now. So I'm just going to take a long neck lighter and then pop any bubbles that might be on the top there. And then we'll leave these to cure. And then we'll be back for demold. So I'll see you in a little while. These are all cured up now, so we'll pop these out. And then maybe we get some gold pen around the outside of them. Dog hair everywhere. Right, so that's those out. Let's have a look at these. So there's that one. That one. That one. And that one. When these were curing, I kept looking at this one thinking, oh God, I've got bubbles coming up there, but that's actually on the pattern of on the actual sticker. So it was actually already on there, and I kept thinking the whole time, like, I can't get rid of those bubbles, but yeah, silly me. They were on the actual picture. So I'm going to be using a chroma marker, and this is like a bronzy goldy colour, and I'm just going to go around the outside of these. So while I'm doing this, I'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone that subscribes to my channel and likes and comments. I appreciate all of you for doing that. And if you haven't subscribed and you'd like to, then feel free to do so. It's free, doesn't cost anything, but it does help my channel if you do, especially if you do like and comment. So thank you ever so much to everyone that does. So I'll just finish off this one, and then I'll do the rest off camera, because you don't need to see me doing this to all 4 of them, do you? And then stay tuned for the pictures at the end. So I don't know, should I just go around the tops as well, maybe? Just go around there. Just using the edge of the marker just to finish those off. So that's how they're looking. So thank you ever so much for watching, and stay tuned for the pictures at the end. Bye for now.
In the dimly lit cafe where stories grow old, with rose cup coasters keeping secrets untold. Coffee stains and whispers dance in the air. Memories and laughter felt everywhere. Patterns of petals so softly designed, holding our lattes as hearts intertwine.